OnePlus actually improved its design. Earlier this month, OnePlus took the wraps off the OnePlus 11, its latest flagship and successor to the OnePlus 10 and 10T from last year. The flagship-grade hardware is worthy of a spot on our list of the best Android phones this year. But it's all for nothing if the phones aren't built to withstand everyday wear. The Chinese consumer electronics brand has put some serious consideration into the OnePlus 11's structural integrity. And it shows as YouTuber Zach Nelson of Jerry Rig Everything fame puts the phone through his standard durability test. As Zach notes, little has changed on the outside except the camera bump with Hasselblad branding. That's now circular instead of squarish. However, regular viewers of Zach's channel and OnePlus fans would remember last year's OnePlus 10 snapping into two pieces outside except the camera. Interestingly, OnePlus kept an antenna line in this exact spot on the OnePlus 11. And it weakens the metal frame when subjected to bending both ways. The back glass panel breaks with an audible popping noise as a crack originating near the antenna line permeates. Source. On the bright side, the AMOLED display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus doesn't give in to the flexure. It also sustains a 50-second exposure to naked flame with no perceptible damage to the pixels, as little as that matters in real life. Gorilla Glass protects the screen from light scratches, but deeper grooves render the in-display optical fingerprint reader completely inoperable. The polished metal on the frame and surrounding the camera bump also appear prone to scratches. Source. Jerry Rig Everything. One could say the OnePlus 11 is better built than the outgoing models, since Zach's testing only causes cosmetic damage. But when you're spending big money on a phone, it doesn't hurt to spend a little extra for one of the best screen protectors and OnePlus 11 cases. They safeguard your purchase from drops and abrasion while lending additional stiffness to the body. We wouldn't advise daily driving this new glass sandwich without protection, unless you're an exceptionally careful user. Changes may seem incremental, but the OnePlus 11 has proven itself to be better built than older models like the OnePlus 10 Pro and cheaper OnePlus 10T. The phone boasts great battery life, a potent assortment of cameras, and an attractive $700 sticker price. It's a step in the right direction for the Chinese brand, especially given the growing consumer focus on product durability and longevity.